Hello everyone, I am Engineer Kamran Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Learners of Civil Engineering. Guys, today I will be discussing that how we can find the pile group efficiency. So first of all, let me discuss with you guys what is a pile group. Now as you can see the picture in front of you, this picture consists of a total of 9 piles which are arranged in a square pattern, okay? And the number of rows are 3 and also the number of columns are 3 in this particular number. So how we can find the pile group efficiency? For this I am having a very simple correlation which was given to us by Converse-Labare. Converse-Labare equation is used for freestanding piles. Piles which are not connected by pile cap are known as freestanding piles. And the correlation that he gives us is in this form, in which Eg represent the pile group efficiency. It is equal to 1 minus theta into n minus 1 into m plus m minus 1 into n divided by 19 mn. Now what is m? M is basically the number of columns. Now you can see in this case the number of columns are 3 and n stands for number of rows. In this case the number of rows are how much? They are 3 in number. And D is represents the diameter of the pile, and S represents the center to center spacing between two piles. Now what is this angle theta? This angle theta is basically tangent inverse of die of pile divided by the spacing of pile in degrees. Now let us perform some calculations in Excel. I have designed a very simple Excel calculator for this particular case. Now as you can see, the number of rows in our particular case is 3. The number of columns are again 3. The dia of pile, let us assume this is 2.5. The spacing of piles is 4 feet, but if it is not given, then I'm having a very simple correlation for the board piles, that if die of pile is, let's suppose, 2.5, then die of piles multiplied by the 2.5 will gives us what? Will gives us the spacing of piles. So this is equal to how much? 6.25. D by S will give us a value of 0.4. And how to calculate theta? For theta I am having an equation that tangent inverse d by s. So how to find this in Excel? For this I will use equation that is equal to a tangent. A tangent means tangent inverse into d by s. D by s is equal to 0.4. Now if I will not multiply 180 divided by pi bracket start and bracket close, then this equation will give me answer in radians. I am interested in finding the answer in degree. So I will multiply what? I will multiply 180 divided by pi bracket start and bracket close. So this will give me a value of theta which will be equal to 21.80. Now I will just formalize this equation in Excel, that 1 minus theta into n minus 1 into m plus m minus 1 into n divided by 90 mn. So you can see over here I have just formalized this equation. This will give me a value of pile group efficiency in decimal which is equal to 0.68. I will multiply this with 100 to convert this in percentage. So now you can see that 61.7 is the pile group efficiency of the assumed case. Now you can see 61.7% is the pile group efficiency of this pile group that you are seeing on your screen. Now guys, how to find the pile group capacity of a pile group? For this again I am having a very simple correlation. Group capacity is equal to group efficiency multiplied by number of rows of piles multiplied by number of columns of pile multiplied by capacity of a single pile in group. Again, let us solve this in Excel. Now, as you can see in this case, that pile group efficiency in decimal is 0.68. So I will put what over here. Pile group efficiency in decimal is 0.68. Number of rows are 3. Number of columns are again 3. Let me assume a capacity of a single pile group is 1500 kilonewton. So this will give me a group capacity of how much? 9180 kilonewton. For this, I have just multiplied the group efficiency with the number of piles, with the number of columns, and with the capacity of a single pile in group. Guys, link to these Excel calculations are given in the description box. You can easily download these calculations. So guys, I hope this video was very useful for you. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for further updates. Thank you so much.